In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new site to your existing WordPress.com account. Whether you're looking to create a brand new website, migrate an existing one, or simply bring in content from another location, WordPress.com makes it easy to manage multiple sites from a single account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get started step by step, so you can focus on building and customizing your site the way you want. Let's dive right in. If you're new to WordPress.com, or don't yet have an account, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.wordpress.com. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage. You should see the login option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, on the login page, you'll see a few different options to access your account. For this tutorial, I'm going to recommend choosing Continue with Google. This method is particularly convenient if you already use a Google account to manage your services. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with WordPress.com, saving you time and effort. Click on Continue with Google. At this stage, you'll need to select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress.com account. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step will happen automatically, so no need to worry. Once that's done, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, locate the WordPress icon at the top left corner of your dashboard. This is your main navigation hub. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Add New Site. Next, you'll be presented with a few options to choose from, depending on what you're looking to do. If you already have a site hosted elsewhere and want to move it to WordPress.com, select Migrate an Existing Site. This is a great choice if you're moving from another platform and want to keep all your existing content. Alternatively, if you have content stored somewhere else that you'd like to bring into WordPress, choose Import Content from another location. And finally, if you're starting completely from scratch and want to build your site from the ground up, select Create a New Site from Scratch, take a moment to decide which option best suits your needs, and then move forward. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to pick WordPress.com as your platform to proceed with the site creation process. This will guide you through the next steps. Now, follow the prompts provided by WordPress to set up your new site. You'll start by choosing a name for your site. Think of something that reflects your brand, project, or the purpose of your website. After naming your site, you'll get to customize its appearance by selecting a theme. WordPress offers a wide variety of themes, so take your time and choose one that matches your vision. Once you've picked a theme, continue through the setup steps, which will help you finalize the process. WordPress will provide helpful tips and prompts along the way, so be sure to read them carefully. These tips are designed to make the setup process as smooth as possible, even if it's your first time creating a site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new site to your existing WordPress.com account. Whether you've migrated an existing site, imported content, or started from scratch, you're now ready to take the next steps in customizing and building your site. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.